Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadine, and for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga favorite ko na foundation sa drugstore. And itong mga foundation na to, ginamit ko when I was just starting out as a makeup artist. So if you're a freelance makeup artist and naghahanap ka ng mga drugstore foundation, affordable foundation that you can use on your makeup kit, this video is for you. Keep on watching, and I really have some good products for you. Nag-start ako, wala pa ako masyadong budget. So, itong mga foundation na to ang nag-save ng buhay ko. So, wag na natin patagalin. Let's start. Bibigyan ko lang kayo ng overview ng mga products na to kasi lahat sila nagawan ko na ng review at wear test. So, 4 out of 5 ng mga products na to, ng mga foundation na to. So, ililink ko yan sa description box down below. So, yung first is, of course, one of the OGs, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 24-Hour Foundation. Sa Lazada, it retails for 550 pesos. And sa US, it comes in 22 shades. Pero sa Philippines, correct me if I'm wrong, pero parang 10 shades lang yung available na nakikita ko. So, yung mga pinaka-popular shades for Filipina is yung 104, 105, 106, and 107. And yung mga mastan, I think 109. Actually, pwede kang bumili lang ng 3 shades and something light, something medium, and then yung sobrang deep. And then, pwede mo na silang ipag-mix according sa shade ng client mo. Nga pala, it claims to be medium coverage, pero feeling ko full coverage talaga siya. If I have clients na sobrang oily yung skin, and may mga gusto silang i-cover, ito yung ginagamit ko sa kanila. And up to now, na medyo may budget na ako sa pagbili ng mga products, I still have this in my professional makeup kit. Hindi siya nawawala kasi sobrang trusted ko tong foundation na to. The only downside to this is kailangan nyo maging maingat sa pag-apply kasi sometimes nagiging cakey siya on the nose area. So, you have to consider yung pinipair nyo sa kanya na primer or moisturizer underneath. You have to make sure na it is suited for this foundation. And kapag ina-apply nyo siya, you have to apply it little by little. You have to really build it up. And huwag nyong i-cake all at once. Otherwise, magiging cakey and magmumukha siyang mask. But once na makuha nyo na yung technique sa pag-apply nito, sobrang hindi niya kayo ilalaglag, hindi niya kayo ipapahiya. Ayan, lumayo ako ng konti. Masyadong malapit sa screen. So, the next one is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. It retails for $7.99. So, sa Philippines, 399 pesos. Originally, 40 shades yung available niya. So, there's something for everyone. Kahit ano pa yung undertone ng skin mo, you can find something for yourself. Sa Philippines, I think 20 shades yung available niya. Again, according to Lazada to. Yung mga pinaka-popular na shades for Filipina is 128 Warm Nude, 220 Natural Beige, 228 Soft Tan, and 310 Sun Beige. Maganda din yung coverage niya, pero ito, medium coverage siya. It has less coverage than the L'Oreal Infallible. But what I love about this foundation is that it is very forgiving on skin texture. Even if this is advertised for people with oily skin, sobrang makakapag-benefit pa rin dito yung people with dry skin kasi it is really, I think, for all skin types. Honestly, wala akong masasabing negative about this foundation aside from yung coverage niya is not super full coverage, but still, may mga clients naman tayo who wants that skin-like finish na makikita pa rin yung skin nila, yung freckles nila to still show. And if they have, imperfections like acne or these things, pwede mo naman silang spot conceal. So, yeah, I still love using this on my clients. Itong Maybelline Fit Me yung foundation na ginagamit ko on myself whenever I go to my makeup gigs. So, ito yung personal favorite foundation ko. So, next foundation is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. It retails for $11.99. Sa Philippines, it's 499 pesos on Lazada. It comes in 28 shades. Yung nakita ko sa Lazada, 8 shades. And I think yung mga shade numbers, some of them I think is pareho ng Fit Me. If you're Filipina, I think okay sa'yo yung 128 or 220. And again, you can get a really light shade, a medium shade, and then a deep shade that you can just mix para sa client mo. Ang dami ding reviews nito, hit or miss, so hindi lahat nagugustuhan. But what I love about this foundation is yung coverage niya. Sobrang ganda ng kapit niya sa skin. Some people na nag-review nito and then other people nakakilala ko na gumamit nito, they said na lagi daw siyang nagta-transfer. But I think with proper skin prep and kapag sinet nyo siya ng maayos, it's not gonna transfer. I tried this on myself and on my clients as well. Sobrang okay sila sa skin ng clients ko. Never had complaints with this and hindi ako nagka-problema. The less layer that you use of this, the better. Kasi if pinile on nyo siya on your face, it's gonna get cakey. And again, like sa L'Oreal Infallible, magkakaroon ng mask effect. But kapag isang layer lang or if you apply it like in a thin layer and then you put another layer na manipis ulit, it's gonna look really good. Honestly, ayokong i-rank tong 5 foundation na to. I love them all equally, pero itong last 2 na i-share kong foundation sa inyo, if I have to pick kung ano yung kailangan yung ilagay sa kit nyo, sa makeup kit nyo as freelancers, ito yung mga yon. So the next one is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. Ito siya. Sa US, it retails for $10.95 and it comes in 45 shades. So, chinek ko siya sa Lazada. It retails for 550 pesos and I think 18 shades yung available sa Philippines. So, just like the Fit Me Foundation, nagki-cater din sila sa iba-ibang undertones. Makikita nyo if may W or may N. So, that means probably warm or neutral. Ang shades that I have here is 10 warm or deep golden and 4N which is beige. So ayan, I really love this foundation. I love using them on people with more mature skin kasi sobrang forgiving nito sa skin texture. Sometimes ginagamit ko din siya on people with oily skin, pero I make sure na ginagamitan ko sila ng mattifying primer underneath and proper skin prep and setting. What I love about this foundation is that it gives you that dewy, radiant finish. If you really want to have that healthy glow, but you still want your foundation to last a long time, ito yung mapapayo ko na foundation na gamitin nyo. Sobrang tagal na nito sa shelves. Tagal na ng L'Oreal foundation na to. As in, ito ata yung isa sa mga pinaka-OG foundation ng L'Oreal. Ang dami nang lumabas. Infallible, yung Infallible Glow, Infallible Fresh Wear. Ito pa rin yung favorite ko hanggang ngayon kasi yun yung shade range niya, sobrang laki. And yung formula niya, there's something about it na parang nakakapag-blur ng skin and nagmumukhang healthy lang talaga si client. So guys, I saved the best for last. Itong foundation to, you will never go wrong if you use this foundation. I'm talking about the Revlon Colorstay Foundation for Combination/Oily Skin. I have them in 4 shades actually. It is advertised or marketed towards people with combination/oily skin, pero honestly, I use this on everybody. It retails for $14.49 sa US and it comes in 43 shades. Sobrang laking shade range nito for a foundation from the drugstore. Pero unfortunately, sa Philippines, it only comes in 9 shades. I checked on Lazada. I'm not sure sa Watsons or sa SM department store. So correct me if I'm wrong. So these retails for 825 pesos. Medyo pricey siya for a drugstore foundation, but it performs like a high-end product. Sobrang sulit every penny na ibabayad nyo dito. It's been on the drugstore shelves for years and years. Sobrang tagal nang binibenta to ng Revlon. And for all the right reasons kasi this product is just amazing. It performs like a high-end product and performance-wise, sobrang ka-level niya Studio Fix Fluid from MAC. Minsan nga parang mas gusto ko pa to than that one. And that one, hindi yun nawawala sa makeup kit ko. Staple ko is the Revlon and the MAC Studio Fix. Parang performance-wise, sobrang head-to-head sila. So I have this in 4 shades. So yung lightest that I have is in 150 Buff. I get clients na really pale. I have to have this. And ginagamit ko rin siya pang mix. And then I have 2 medium shades, 310 and 330. Itong 330, sobrang popular siya for Filipinas. Kasi yung undertone niya, warm and may pagka-olive din. And of course, 310, warm golden. Ito ata yung shade ko right now, or this is kinda light probably. kasi summer ngayon. And the deepest one I have is in 400 caramel. I did a review on this. If I really want to look good for something, for special occasions, ito yung ginagamit ko. I just fell in love with this foundation so much. So that's it for today's video. Sana na-enjoy nyo. And if you are a freelance makeup artist, please let me know in the comment section down below kung ano yung favorite mo na foundation from the drugstore or even high-end, kung ano yung staple mo sa kit mo. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel para mapanood nyo pa yung iba kong videos. If you wanna see more videos na related sa makeup artistry or if you wanna see more reviews, just let me know in the comment section down below.